In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn how to make global maps visual. We will make a global maps visual like this from scratch. Step 1. Select the map icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Expand the visual by clicking at the edge and then dragging it. Step 2. Select country, then drag and drop country to location field, select product, then drag and drop product to legends. Select revenue, then drag and drop revenue to bubble size field. Step 3. We will now format the size of the bubble, we will make it larger. Go to Format your visual, click on Bubble, increase the size of the bubble by using the slider. Thank you, please subscribe to the channel. And check out other 1-minute Power BI videos.